everyone, welcome back to the Limoneira YouTube channel. My name is Megan Roosevelt and I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist, founder of Healthy Grocery Girl, and spokesperson for Limoneira's One World of Citrus. Happy February, it is the month of love, and citrus are a versatile fruit perfect for healthy recipes, DIY projects, and beauty. This month we are so excited to introduce to you our collab partner, Ami. Ami will be sharing with us how to make this simple, easy sugar scrub. Then stick around, I'll be sharing with you how to make this DIY lemon toner.
Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be going over one of my all-time favorite at-home DIY masks, and the main ingredient is something you probably already have in your kitchen. That is a lemon. There's so many benefits to using lemons. Number one being vitamin C. It can help produce more collagen, and it also helps with skin renewal. The other thing is AHA, which is alpha hydroxy acids, especially when you're trying to help brighten your skin and maybe get rid of some acne scars, because it's gonna exfoliate and just give you that really nice glow. So let's get started. All you're gonna need are 3 simple ingredients. You need this little lemon, some honey, and sugar. I'm gonna take my half lemon right here, going to put a little bit of sugar on top of it, just like this. The sugar is going to act as the exfoliator, so it's going to help buff out any of that dry skin, and the honey is going to help keep everything moist. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna rub it around my face. My skin feels so soft, smooth, and hydrated. This is, again, one of my all-time favorite scrubs, and I hope you guys enjoy it too.
Thank you so much, Ami. That is such a simple and great idea. For more information on Ami and where you can follow her online for more great beauty tips, check out the video description box below. Now let's make our DIY lemon toner. You will need juice from a Limoneira classic lemon, filtered water, and witch hazel. This toner is so easy to make. Simply add all of the ingredients into a jar or bottle with a tight-fitting lid and give it a good shake, and that's it. You can use this toner on a daily basis, just as you would a store-bought toner. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Ami, for joining us. Don't forget to look for sustainably grown Limoneira Citrus next time you head to the grocery store. Thanks for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.